There is a Chinese company called Wking. They make a 30-watt Bluetooth speaker. If you search for Boult Stone 1400 on Amazon, you will find a speaker with the exact same design, same wattage, same features. The only difference is the logo. And this is not a one-time thing. More than 80% of what Boult sells is made from Chinese components. Products are designed in Chinese factories, shipped to India, and a Boult sticker goes on top. That is the business. That is the entire model. Now Boult calls itself a proud Indian brand. They ran a whole campaign called Rock in India. But look at where the money actually goes. In financial year 22, Boult spent 840 crore rupees on marketing. On research and development, they spent 30 crore. For every 1 rupee they put into building better products, they spent 28 rupees just convincing you to buy them. Now think about that. Apple also manufactures in China. But Apple designs its own chips, writes its own software, and owns its own technology. When you buy an Apple product, the innovation is American and the assembly is Chinese. But when you buy a Boult product, there is no innovation at all. The design is Chinese, the technology is Chinese, the parts are Chinese, only the logo is Indian. Meanwhile, a company called Mivi set up a real manufacturing plant in Hyderabad with over 1,500 engineers who design and build every single product from scratch in India. No imports, no white labeling, actual Indian engineering. And here is the part that should really worry Boult. Revenue has been stuck around 3,100 crore for 2 straight years. Competitors like Boult grew 32% last year. Realme grew 56%. Both are investing in their own technology, while Boult is still launching new color variants of the same imported product. When your entire business is buying someone else's product and putting your name on it, there is nothing stopping 100 other brands from doing the same thing cheaper. And that is exactly what is happening right now. The logo is Indian. Almost everything else is not.